Hello everyone, welcome to smart-money.trade. In this video, we will learn how to use our smart money footprint indicator and what different options are available for it. Okay, before we move forward, one quick thing to understand or note, our indicator can work on any TradingView account. Yes, even for the basic free TradingView account, our indicator works. Something to keep in mind. Now let's just understand what smart money footprint indicator is all about. So as the name suggests, we try to follow the smart money footprints. And when we say smart money footprints, so they are like big institutional buyers, hedge funds, or the big investors who usually have some information and they try to take big positions before the stock usually makes a good run. So as being a retail trader, we usually don't have those informations initially, and it's always good to follow the smart money so we can be on the right side of the market. So for that we developed this indicator which computes smart money levels based on different sources of data like volume, institutional activity, or even a dark pool activity, and those levels are plotted onto the chart. And once we have those levels, it becomes very easy to stay on the right side of the market. Now we will learn, like in detail on how those levels can help in our trade decisions in our following videos. But for now, let's just understand how we can plot these levels using our smart money footprints and what are the different options available for it. Okay, so here we have a TradingView account and it shows an Apple chart on a 15-minute time frame. So how do we get those indicators? So once we get the access to the indicator, it will show up over here. So here this is indicators tab. Here we can see there are different tabs and it says invite only script. Yes, so once we get the access, it will show up onto invite only script, and that's where it will show as a pop-up for smart-money.trade indicator. How to get the access, we will come back later to those things, and I will even post it into the video comment as well. Okay, so let's just understand the different features of the indicator. So I have here smart-money.trade indicator. Currently it is disabled, but let's see what options it has. Okay, so here smart-money.trade inputs. So we have like different options and features for the indicator. So it shows trend, so show trend. So if you enable it, it will show you trend, but what kind of trend? So let's just see into the tooltip. Select this option to see all daily, weekly and monthly trend on the top right side of the chart. So once we enable it, it will show us the trend. Smart money lines. So this is our most important lines which will be plotted. Compute smart money footprints on daily, weekly or monthly. Yeah, we have three options to plot: on a daily, on a weekly or on a monthly time frame. So what does this daily mean? So as soon as we select on a daily, all the levels that will be plotted, all the smart money levels that will be plotted, they will be plotted by computing data available on a daily time frame. All the levels, the data that will be computed based on the daily time frame. Okay, so let's just enable that and see what happens. Okay, so we enabled the indicator, we selected a daily computation for the smart money levels, and we can see different levels being plotted over here. This is Apple and on a 15-minute time frame. Yes, these levels can work on 15-minute or a 5-minute time frame. So we can see here there are multiple confluence of lines and how the stock is taking support and resistance and how it is behaving. We will see the details on how we can use onto our upcoming or following videos. But for now, let's just see what other options we have. So we just learned how to plot the smart money lines. Pretty simple. Now all other options are like for based off for users preference, pretty flexible. If you don't like orange color, you can select a different white color from here. If you don't like the width of it, if you want to increase it, you can increase the width of it. You can see now it will become dark and bright. You can see here, and how many levels you can go, everything is into our tooltip. Enter 1 to 5. This is for like selecting colors, so you can select multiple colors. I will just keep it to orange for now, and I like it on 1, so I will keep it 1. Okay, so those are the different options for our smart money lines and how we can plot them. Enable buy sell signal. Yes, this particular indicator can even give you buy sell signals, and you can even set up alerts for them. Okay, so let's just enable and see what it does now. So enabling buy sell signals. Okay, so here you can see as soon as I enabled it, We can see multiple sell signals over here with a down arrow. There was a one small buy arrow here, but then immediately system told you that it's a sell, and then you can see the stock is like all the way going from 168 to 161. There are different things which we need to consider when we want to use the buy sell signal. We cannot just blindly use it buy and sell, but we will cover all those things into our upcoming following videos. But for now, yeah, that's how you can enable buy and sell signals. Select the line style. Yeah, so this particular line style over here, you can select it whether you want it as a solid or you want it as a dotted or dash lines. So I selected solid, so it became all solid. I personally prefer dash, so I will just keep it dash. So we just saw how we can plot the smart money lines, how we can enable the buy and sell signals, and different options for the smart money lines for the user preference. So now we have show open price. So what is this now? So let's just enable it. Okay, so as soon as we enable, we see here it shows open 144 166.46. So what is this? This is not the price for the last bar. We can clearly see it's a 162. So what is this showing? Let's say if it was a live trading day, then it will show the open price for that particular current day for the Apple stock. So even if you are on a lower time frame, it will show you the open price for the stock. Very helpful in making trade decision, which we will see into our following videos. But for now, yeah, that's what it shows. But since we are recording this video on Saturday, this is the open price for the Friday for Apple at 166.46. Display trend settings. Okay, before we go, let's just understand what this trend is. So currently we are on a 15-minute time frame. If I want to see like how the stock is performing on a daily or a weekly or monthly, I will have to either move away from here, or I will have to open a new tab and see, or I will have to have another screen where it shows like how the stock is performing on a daily or monthly. But we incorporate that feature onto our indicator. So as soon as you select trend, it's going to do a lot of computation, which we can see over here, and then boom, it gives you all the levels on a higher time frame and how the stock is behaving. So it shows you on a daily it is bearish, weekly it is bearish, on a monthly stock is on a neutral, and we all can see the stock has been on a downtrend and then it has been down. So we know that's on daily is bearish, weekly is bearish. Very important feature and very helpful when we want to make a trade decision. When we are on a lower time frame and we have a single screen, this becomes a very useful feature. So yeah, those are different options. We just learned how to plot, and the options for weekly and monthly we will learn onto our upcoming videos. Thank you.